Hello everybody! In this video tutorial we will show you how to use assembling and disassembling the lipo handpieces. There are two versions of lipo handpieces. The first one is without suction. The second one is including the suction. The handpieces are made of three components: the fiber holder, the handpiece, and the different cannula. Cannula have different thickness and different length. To use properly the handpiece, you have to put the fiber holder and screw it inside the handpiece. Pass the fiber through the fiber holder and then through the handpiece, taking the right distance between the Luer Lock extremity and the length of the cannula should be approximately the same, keeping 2-3 millimeters the fiber out of the tip of the cannula, this way. Of course, you can use the transillumination beam of the laser to help you in deciding the right distance between the tip of the cannula and the tip of the fiber. Once you've decided, you must close here the fiber holder and the fiber will stop perfectly.